Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about spray pool that I'm making right here. All we just need are eggs, honey and palm oil. Just basically these three ingredients, and they're very cheap and very easy to get. These are all things that I have in my kitchen, so I did not spend any money to make this. I'm going to be using this as a spray pool. One thing I do not like about this treatment is the fact that it was very messy, and thank God that I went to the bathroom to apply this. If not, I would have messed everywhere up. So it was very easy for me to wash out at the bathroom. So you want to be very careful when applying this treatment. Now let's talk about the benefits of palm oil. Palm oil is packed with very good fats and vitamin E, and vitamin E helps to promote hair growth, and also it helps to straighten the hair. It also helps in preventing hair loss. Palm oil contains antibacterial properties that will help in effectively cleansing the scalp. Honey helps to treat dandruff. So if you're suffering from dandruff, dry scalp, honey can be very moisturizing, and also honey helps to add shine to your hair. It is very good, and that was why I added it to this treatment. The last ingredients we're going to be talking about are eggs. They are packed with biotin, sulfur, iron, and also egg yolk is also packed with vitamins such as A, E, and D. And this vitamins helps to stop dandruff as well, helps to nourish the scalp, and also protects your hair from UV rays. And it's a very good way to add protein to your hair. Guys, I left the mask in my hair for about 2 hours, and now I'm just about washing it out. I'm going to be using my DIY shampoo, and also I'll be applying conditioner to it. So I won't be using deep conditioner now since I already did this mask. If you're yet to see the video of how I made my shampoo, I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can check that out. And after that, after washing the mask out, I'm going to be applying some rinse out conditioner. So I'm not using any deep conditioner for today. I'm just going to be using my rinse out conditioner, and I'll leave it in my hair for about 5 minutes, then rinse it out. Guys, after rinsing out my conditioner, my hair feels really soft and very shiny. Guys, this video didn't do justice to my hair. Like, I was thinking it was going to, show in the video, but it didn't. But I love this. I love it, and I think I will be doing it again, but not anytime soon, because it was quite messy. Apart from it being messy, there was no downside to this treatment, and I really love it. Guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and please guys, help me share this video as well. Please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.